Love, if it pleased you, and it were not unreasonable that after 100 pains a single good were granted me, it would be right that I have it, but it does not please you at all. Yet it would be fitting for you that some joy should come to me from it, by which my song might be worth more. Its beginning
from a high place, and aims at a high place, and a high place has conquered me.
It would be fitting that I make from such a high subject song so graceful that my singing would appear to come from a place of worth. I would not fail at all if I were joyful to make fitting words and a gay tune. But love, who taught me to sing, is unteaching me, since he has placed my heart and mind by force in such a place that it does not seem fitting for me to be silent. And since he took it upon himself with such mad boldness to raise my thoughts so high that I placed them in her, it would be fitting that he should lower her proud heart so much that she not remain haughty, but soften herself toward me. I know you come from such high lineage that no right could bring me joy so fitting, however long I might strive to the Grayanese, to the Lord of the land. So precious and good that I do not believe anyone could tell, in stories or in songs, your great value and your goodness.